Back at you again. I'm about to run my Dakota Digital wires on the inside. Alrighty, I got my speedometer for the Dakota Digital and my oil pressure switch. About to run these too. I already ran the fuel line. Alrighty, now I'm about to run the temperature. I got the speedometer hooked up inside. I got the fuel hooked up inside. I got the oil pressure hooked up inside. Now I'm about to do the oil pressure, and then I'm gonna have to hook up and run the RPM gauge, the tech gauge. All right, I got all my wires ran. I gotta go from the distributor, the tech gauge right there, and run that wire too. And I get the wire loom and put all those wires in there.